Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to give you a quick update on the Fume hood here. So what my plan was originally was to use the primer here to kind of get the wood sealed in, and then I was going to use the truck liner to kind of coat that to give it more of a sealed finish inside. After spending some time spray painting, having my head in the hood, even though I had a mask on, which, by the way, the hood works well. It pretty much held everything in there. I decided it probably wasn't the most efficient way to go about doing that. So what I did was I picked up a can of Kills primer and originally brushed that on, and didn't work out as well as I'd hoped. So grabbed a roller, did a second coat, and it's looking a lot better. Kind of seeing the corners here. That there's still some brush marks and things where I got to fill those in, but yeah, kind of live and you learn with that. So I'll get that put up. And then I did pick up some of this Flex Seal as well. So I'm going to roll that on inside and see kind of where that takes me. But yeah, and then I want to give kind of an update on some of the parts that I'm starting to put together for this. So got a 8-inch fan in the back. Move some of this. Pick that up off of Amazon. As well as some of the parts that I'm going to need to use the to make the venting out. I'm going to be using a venturi system. So going to obviously go down from an 8-inch fan, take that down, and then back out to 6 inches when it goes out of the garage. But let me go ahead and see if I can lift this up really quick here and kind of give you a view of what's going on top here. So as you can see, I've got that T up there. I'm going to have the fan on this side, and then that's going to shoot through and it's going to go out the garage over there. So there's the top of the Fume hood as well. Did get that all sealed up with caulk on the inside. I'll give you a view of that really quick. But yeah, I'm really busy with life, so working through that. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like inside. Alrighty, taking a look inside here, you can kind of peek up into there so you can see I've actually got that T with just a small, probably, I don't know, 2-inch piece of pipe coming down. So it's actually pretty nice and flush with the top there. I do still have to caulk that, but those seams are all caulked. I got the corners here all caulked, and then again, you can kind of see where I had some of that primer spray paint there that I've got to paint over. But yeah, should be a nice hood. And then eventually I'll go ahead and get a door on there so that slides up and down so that I can have that small gap for the air at the bottom, but yet really help out my fan, having to pull all the extra fumes out of there. And then I guess I haven't really talked about this one yet, but I've seen a few other channels. I know Shri Tips has a setup like this, and I know that channel's called, I think, Acids and Gases or Acids and Base. I'd have to look and see. I'll pin them in the chat or in the description there. But it's where I saw the 3-train that's got the vacuum pump on it. So I'll go ahead and get that all posted up. But yeah, just want to give a quick update on this. I'll be working on it more this weekend. So hopefully looking to get that Flex Seal all put on the inside and then start getting the setup done for the fan and getting that all plumbed up. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll talk soon.